If you are an active options trader using Questrade and subscribe to Questrade Plus, you might be wondering exactly when your options trading cashback gets paid out into your account. Understanding the payout schedule helps you track your monthly earnings and manage your trading capital effectively. Questrade processes and pays out options cashback on a monthly schedule. The cashback earnings are calculated based on your qualifying U.S. equity options contracts executed during the calendar month. Once the month wraps up, Questrade processes the total amount and deposits it directly into your eligible trading account as a monthly lump sum. The specific timing for this deposit is on or before the third business day of the following calendar month. For example, if you trade qualifying U.S. equity options throughout the month of August, your cashback for those trades will be calculated and deposited into your account on or before the third business day of September. To ensure you receive your payout without any interruptions, you must have at least one eligible self-directed cash or margin account open and in good standing on the final day of that calendar month. If your account is closed or inactive at month end, you may forfeit the cashback earned for that period. You can easily monitor your progress before the payout date. Questrade provides an options benefit hub where you can view your running monthly total and an estimated cashback amount directly on your order confirmations when placing qualifying trades. Once paid, the funds will appear in your transaction history under reports. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.